Good luck.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, what's the gossip? What's the word? Why don't you listen to three friends? We have a little tale, so sit right down or you'll lose and lose again.
Life is hard here, out on the street. We ain't got sisters and brothers. And if it came down to it and we're fighting for food, we would even kill the other of us.
Oh, 'cause birds of a feather don't stick as one.
That's right. Birds of a feather don't stick as one.
Listen to you crying all day. Oh no, I get fed. If I don't fight for every crumb that I eat, I would end up bereft of life. I don't get fed at all, not even a smidgen. And that is coming from me, a mourning dove.
That's right. Oh.
Because birds of a feather do not stick as one.
Birds of a feather
do not stick as one. So yes, dream of the life that exists beyond these walls. And listen to our advice, after all, it's a bird song.
And you may look at us and think, wow, they're rude. We honestly could be meaner. The moral lesson that we're sort of selling to you is the grass is always preferable somewhere else.
Birds of a feather do not stick as one.
3 different courses.
Birds of a feather don't even say what it is. Birds do not
Be
stick
grateful
Together
where you are, because you'd be happier locked behind bricks.
Locked behind bricks.